What's going on, folks? I'm gonna show you how you'll be changing out your mirror, your driver's side mirror, as well as your passenger side mirror on a 2003 to about the 2007 Chevy Silverado. On this one right here, if you have just basically like a manual window where you don't have the lights and stuff inside of it, it's a pretty simple job. What you gotta do is come right here to this little triangle part. It just kind of pulls off. You want to pop that part off right there, and once you do that, and you look behind here, you'll have like a piece of installation right here you want to pull out. And once you come back here, you'll see you'll have 3 screws, one here, one down there, one over here. You may have to kind of pull out your door panel some on the side to get good access to these screws over here, or you may be able just to use like a small, it takes a size 10 on these bolts right here pretty much. And once you take off these bolts right here, you should just be able to pull this whole mirror out and replace it. Like I said, if you have the other type of mirrors where it has like the LED lights inside of it where you're turning and all that, you're going to have to actually remove the whole door panel to change that one now, because it actually has electrical cord that you can't unplug, or most of them at least, from the driver's side mirror itself, but you have to actually go into your door panel and unplug it that way. But for this one right here that's manual, like I said, you got to do is just take off your outside, that little thing, unscrew these 3 screws right here, and once you do that, this will come straight out. I'm going to show you that. Alright, if you can see right here now, I have the 3 screws inside of it, the 3 bolts rather off of these screws, one here, one here. Once you do that, all you have to do is kind of come to the outside and kind of lift up. Now you have like a little piece. Alright, you can see that we got the mirror out pretty much, and when you're taking the mirror out, you may have kind of a problem getting it out. You can see this little piece right here. This piece right here kind of squeezes together like that, and it goes into like a little hole that's actually up inside of here. If you can see that little hole through them, show you on the outside. Yeah, if you can see right here, this little hole right here is where this little piece right here goes in there at. So when you get it out, you may have to wiggle it around some to kind of pull this little piece out like that. And once you pretty much got these out of here, and all you gotta do is basically just take your other mirror and just plug it right back into these holes, the 3 holes down there, the 3 holes that's down there. Stick it back in, you kind of push it in some, so you get this little rivet right here to go in. All your replacement ones may not have that, but if it does, just kind of want to make sure that squares together and kind of push it in there, and you should be good. You can see now we kind of put the new mirror inside of here. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and put our 3 screws back on here, kind of press it in. And a lot of time when you do that, these little black pieces right here will pop through once you tighten up these screws in the inside. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would change out your driver's side as well as your passenger side mirror on a Chevy Silverado from probably about the 2003 to about the 2007. Alright, please check out our helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.